Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shannon and I am the founder of Oso, which is a hair tools and accessories business, and I am a content creator, blogger. UK Curly Girl is the brand. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys some ways that you can make money from home today. These are very easy ways that you can start up. It won't be easy because you have to put the work in, but these are things that anyone can do. And we are currently going through a recession. Times are hard, prices are going up. So I thought I would share this video for you guys to kind of inspire you to make some extra income online, an easier way because you don't have to wait for someone to approve your job application. You can create your own job for yourself. So stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to go through some of my favorite ways to make money online. The first way is something that I actually came across when I was looking for a service on Fiverr. The new thing that seems to be trending right now is user-generated content, and that is something that me as a product business owner am looking for from other people. So if you're not sure what that is, user-generated content is basically you as a content creator creating content with someone's product. So you can be hired just to create a video of you using a hair product, or not a hair product, any product, because brands like myself need to have social proof. We like to share on our social media, on our website, real life people using our products, because it helps for others to actually make the buy-in decision and go ahead and buy the product from you. You watching this at home can present yourself as a content creator and someone who is willing to generate user-generated content. So all you have to do is pick up your phone, film yourself using the product. This doesn't have to be heavily edited. People actually prefer real, raw footage because it looks more, relatable. Think of TikToks, think of Reels. People just film themselves really easily using a product and you can charge for that. I myself use a service from someone who actually does social media services, and one of her services is to create Reels, and that is user-generated content. So brands like myself that are small businesses are paying people to do user-generated content. So even bigger businesses are definitely going to pay up to get your content. So you're probably thinking, okay, Shannon, that sounds good, but how can I actually get started? If I were you, I would now start a TikTok account and just begin creating TikToks. Search what's trending, search for a certain niche that you're interested in, and just recreate those videos in your own style, in your own way. Because you're looking to actually sell your services as someone that is doing user-generated content, I would film myself doing product reviews and product demonstrations, because that's going to act as your CV and your way to showcase that you actually can do what they are looking for. Definitely go ahead and look on Fiverr and just search for user-generated content services, and you'll get a feel for how people are actually selling themselves for this service. People are making anything from £30 per video up to probably $100+ per video. So definitely it's something that is profitable. You don't need to pay for much at all to start this business, and it's something that you can start from today or tomorrow and from home. The next leading on from that is to become a social media manager or someone who is doing social media services. If again you search on Fiverr or any kind of job search website, you'll be able to see a huge list of different social media roles. I myself do offer social media services, so I have worked for other businesses, actually controlling their engagement on their social media, scheduling their posts, replying to their DMs. Think of yourself as a freelancer in that sense. So you are offering a service to help relieve a business owner of their social media. A good way to market yourself, of course, for this role is to have experience in social media. So if it is something that you are wanting to do, what I would suggest is to build up your own social media account with your own social media content and really showcase via your content how you can help relieve that stress and help others with their social media accounts. Present yourself as a social media expert, and then hopefully you can build upon that and pitch yourself to certain brands or smaller businesses to gain some work. As a social media manager, you can make anything from £500 a month up to £3,000, £5,000 a month just from controlling a social media account. So again, it's definitely a very profitable business and something that you can do from your phone at home. The next one is YouTube. And of course, that is something that is free to do. Anyone can create their own YouTube account, YouTube channel, and you can just create any kind of content that you're passionate about or content that you think people will enjoy watching or learn from. If you have a skill, if you're good at music, definitely showcase that on YouTube, because you can earn money from sponsorships and from affiliate links and from YouTube ad revenue. The next thing that I want to mention is affiliate marketing. And again, this is something that you don't have to do and be the face of your business. You don't have to be in front of the camera for this. You can actually start a blog and just write articles promoting a certain niche or promoting a certain product. For example, I can make money from affiliate links in my description box. Well, I'm a part of the Canva Partner Program, affiliate program. So whenever someone actually signs up for Canva Pro via my link, I will get a percentage of that payment. So to take advantage from that affiliate program, what I could do is start a blog and write a load of articles that mention Canva and leave the link for Canva, my personal link for Canva, in that blog post. I would research SEO in order to make my blog rank higher on Google search. And you can also create like a TikTok account or an Instagram account or a YouTube channel that again talks about Canva, even Pinterest that talks about Canva, that you can then again link your affiliate link to that content so that people click on that and then they sign up for Canva Pro because of the information and the way that you've presented your content, making it very appealing for them to actually use Canva for themselves. The Amazon Associates program is great for that because Amazon already has thousands, millions of people shopping on there every single day. So you can take advantage of that program. I've mentioned this in my income streams video, so I'll leave a link for that down below. But out of all of the ones that I've mentioned today on how to make money from home online, affiliate marketing is the one that's probably the easiest to start because you don't actually need to show your face. You can actually just write a blog or start an Instagram account with graphics without actually having to talk on camera or any of that stuff. The next is a personal favorite of mine because I just love starting a brand, which is e-commerce / dropshipping. I personally have never done dropshipping, but I know a lot of people are able to make an amazing amount of income monthly from dropshipping online. E-com, again, product businesses, it may be a bit harder to start. You may need more money to invest up front, but in the long run, it's going to be a really great way for you to build a brand and to eventually build income coming in passively if you actually outsource the marketing and the sales and you outsource the fulfillment, because you won't actually have to be packing your orders, which is the space that I'm in currently. Again, this is something that you can start from home, behind your computer desk, on your laptop, on your iPad, even on your mobile phone. For e-com, I do definitely recommend that you use Shopify to start up your online store, which I have a free trial for 14 days down below, so definitely go ahead and check that out. So just 2 more ways that you can make money from home, and the next one is from teaching online. If you are a teacher, if you love teaching people things, if you love sharing information, this one's going to be for you. Websites like Thinkific and Teachable and Kajabi have made it really easy for everyday people like me and you to create an online course or an online class, masterclass, or a membership group from their home behind their computer screen for only a small fee every single month to actually host that course online. You can be making anything from $50 to $1,000+ from your online course business. So if you're interested in finding out how much I made from my first online course, definitely check out my video that I will leave in the description box down below. And the last thing I want to mention is becoming a virtual assistant. Now, I use virtual assistants for my business. A lot of business owners need virtual assistants, and as a VA, all you do is work from your phone, from your computer, and you get tasks done that certain business owners need doing. This can be from replying to emails for your business owner, doing customer service, creating graphics, creating blog posts, writing content, setting up a website, communicating with suppliers for them, little tasks that can be done online from home. You can charge to actually do that and help someone else out. It's like being a personal assistant, but a virtual one, because everything is kind of like online work. So you wouldn't be going to pick up a coffee and bringing it to the business owner. These are things that you will be doing online. So you might actually do their online shopping for them, but you know, everything is online and from home, just with a click of a button. And obviously your brain, like none of the stuff that I've mentioned here is easy. All the jobs I've mentioned from here, you do need to use your brain power for. And I believe that nothing comes to you easily. Don't believe everything you read and watch online where it talks about how you can make thousands within a click, like tomorrow. No, like it's gonna take some time and it's gonna take a lot of effort. But as I mentioned earlier, times are hard, prices are going up. So I do think it is worth you putting in that extra effort and that extra time and starting up one of these side hustles, one of these ways to make money online from home. Because imagine if you could actually pay a bill or two with some of these income streams. That will make your life so much easier. And best case scenario, you can actually pay for your whole lifestyle from your online business where you are working from home. I hope you found this video really helpful. Let me know in the comment section down below what one you would like to start. And make sure you thumbs up this video if you enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.